Ideology of MMM by Rex de los Santos. What is MMM ideology? Why does the banker work less but live better than a worker of miner? This is the word of money. For those who produce it, money is not a measure of labor. In the modern society, since childhood, people have been taught money can help us reach the object of your desire. Having money allow you to buy anything you want, live where you want, dress how you like, and travel wherever you wish. How does it work? Participating in the MMM, you are extremely at risk and can lose at any time. All your money, do not forget this. There are no investment, no business activity, there is no company. There are no shares, transactions, any relationship with the professional participant of the share market. Benefits of MMM: 30% per month of your provide health. Registration bonus $20, $50, $100. Referral bonus is 10% of the amount. Provided by the people you invited to the join. 20% to 100% growth. Rate with MMM, extra managers bonus, and leaders bonus. Together we can change the